Hi, good morning. So I'm going to teach you today, guys, how to track your daily progress aesthetically using Notion. Okay? But before anything else, I just want to let you know bakit ko to binibigay sa inyo na free tutorial is because one thing that I notice sa mga success stories ko is that they track their progress. Gumagawa sila ng tracker. I've said it so many times sa podcast, sa mga live ko na no tracking of progress, no timeline, no goal, no VA. So this time, I'm gonna teach you how to create a tracker in Notion, and I'm gonna give this get things done tracker template for free sa inyo. Tuturuan ko lang kayo kung paano nyo to i-customize based sa anong gusto nyong mangyari. Alright, so let's start first with logging into Notion. So just type in Notion, log in. Tapos, when you hit this, you will automatically log into your Notion. Nakalog in na kasi ako. But you can just use your Gmail to log into Notion. But, when I share this link, it will automatically route you to log into Notion, then papasok na kayo dito. Now, ang gagawin nyo dito pag tapos na to is you copy copy page content, okay? Kasi ilalock ko to, hindi nyo to may edit. I will lock this later. Kita nyo to? Ilalock ko to para hindi nyo siya magalaw. O, see? Hindi nyo siya magagalaw kasi nakalock to. Now, but what you can do later is copy page content. When you copy page content or you duplicate this using your account na pag login nyo, you can edit this one na. Okay? Do not touch this. Ilalock ko to. Unlock ko kasi mag-edit ako. So, here in Notion, you can add cover. Okay? Pwede kang mag-add ng cover. Like this. Para pagandahin nyo. You change the cover to whatever you want. Kayo yung bahala. Or, you can upload a file sa gusto nyong cover. Here. Ito yung gagawin ko na cover. Ayan. So, you can also edit this part if you want. Ito. Get things done. You can add your name. Ganyan. And you can also add icons. Let's say, laptop. Ayan. There. Or, you can change the icon to study. Book. Kayo yung bahala, okay? But I prefer laptop. So, you can also edit this part. Itong description na to. Bala kayo sa buhay nyo. And then, note. Diba walang laman yung daily task mo? This one. Kasi I will give this to you na nakaganito na. I-edit nyo na lang. You can add note. Lalabas yung note dito. For example, today, mag, magbaback read for 30 minutes. Ganyan. Tapos, you can create time, project. You can add comments. Dito nilagay yung mga number of lessons in 30 minutes back read. Or what did you learn? Bahala kayo sa buhay niyo. And then, you can add there. Lalabas na yan dito sa inbox. See? Lalabas yan sa inbox. Now, you have to open this again. And, you can add property. Ano yung property, ante? Pili kayo dito. Tasks ba to? Status, number, URL, email, project, edit name. Galaw-galawin nyo lang to. Inbox, pending. Ito ha, when you say inbox, meaning gagawin nyo pa lang. Okay? or pending or in progress, may ginagawa na kayo. You can actually change this if you want to. Dito, sa tasks. Or you can edit the property. Gawin nyo tong to do. Ayan. Tapos set as default. To do. You can say high priority. Palitan nyo ng kulay if you want. When you say high priority, red. Yan. Next action. Reading or studying. Bala kayo sa buhay nyo. You can say purple. In review. You can say babalikan ko to later. Or in English, check back later. In progress, you can say green. Tapos ito, complete. You can say done. Yellow. Or saved. Ako, tama na yan. So, you can edit here kung asan ka na sa progress mo. Para alam mo, dagdag ka lang ng dagdag. Or dagdag ka ng tasks. Portfolio making. Ayan. Priority, empty. Ayan, you can put it in low, medium, or high priority. High priority. Due date. Maglagay kayo ng due date para alam nyo kung kailan kayo magpe-pressure na gagawin nyo na. Okay, let's just say in 1 week. Dapat makagawa na kayo ng isang page. Not started, in progress, done. Kayo na yung bahala. In progress, done. Ikaw na. Not started naman to. Status, inbox. Kayo na yung bahala. Alam nyo na dito yan lalabas. Mag-note kayo dito if you want. Simple lang. Very, very simple. What else? Ito, you can edit this one. Ultimate Guide to Website. Ang tawag dito? Website Design. Or you can edit this to Ultimate Guide to Become a VA. Ganyan. Lagay kayo ng notes, reviewing. Kayo na yung bahala. Maglagay kayo ng... You can enter here all the links ng mga free resources ni Auntie. Ilagay nyo dito lahat. Link. Unlimited to na space. What else that we can add here? You can actually add, guys, a new page if you want. Mag-add kayo ng new page. Kayo yung bahala. There is a tutorial on how to, navigate Notion very easily. You just go to YouTube. Meron din kayong project or tasks. Edit nyo tong laman nito. If you want this aesthetic, guys, you can use Notion. Notes and references. You can edit everything in here. Para meron kayong para maganda yung pagtatrack nyo sa mga task nyo everyday. As I've mentioned, most of my successful VAs, yung mga nagiging VA na, yun yung may mga trackers sa mga ginagawa nila everyday. Para they will not ask anybody bakit ang bagal nila because they know they are tracking their progress. Again, do not do everything at once. You can finish 30 minutes every day as long as it's every day na tuloy-tuloy. Tapos, Ante, what if gusto kong gumawa ng bagong Notion na walang laman? Mga ganun. That's fine. Okay? Create tayo ng bagong Notion. Walang laman. Alright? There are templates here sa baba na free kung gusto nyong mamili. Here, you can look for personal planner, planning goals, roadmap calendars, personal productivity. Let's say personal productivity. Eto, may mga bayad to. You can see, oh, may mga bayad. May mga bayad. Maghahanap tayo ng free. Popular. May mga bayad lahat. May mga $2. Maghanap tayo ng free. Free template. Everyday template. Daily habit tracker. Pwede din to. Pwede din to. Example, ito gagamitin nyo. Preview. Tingnan nyo muna, i-preview nyo muna bago nyo i-add. Para makita nyo ba kung ano yung laman bago nyo siya gamitin. O ayaw nyo, hirap kayo ng iba. Dito sa baba, marami din dito. This is a lesson plan. Free. Yan oh, may free. Wait lang, I'll ano my face. This one is free. This one is $5. This one is free. Ito din free din to. This one is $19. Maghanap lang tayo ng free. For example, ito, lesson plan organizer. Bago nyo siya i-add, preview na muna para matingnan nyo kung anong laman. O, pwede nyo itong i-edit. Calendar. Easy lang naman yan. Ganap tayo ng iba. Work. So, work, let's say, meron pang new hire onboarding document or ano, para mahal, may ano siya, may price. May $1. Pero since poor pa naman kayo, wala naman kayong pera, mamili na lang kayo ng mga free. Saglit lang, maghanap tayo ng maganda dito. Asa na ba yung, nabago na kasi itong ano? Nabago na kasi itong project plans, knowledge base. Knowledge base. Tingnan natin yung knowledge base. Ito may free. Let's say view all. Ito na ba yun? Ito na ba yung mga view all? Use case, goals and OKRs. Ito, goals na lang. Smart goals. Ito, may mga free. Ito, free. Action tracker for yearly goals. O, pwede din to. Pwede sa yearly naman. Hanap tayo ng iba. Kahit ito lang, dito kayo mag-start. To-do lists. This is very, very easy. Again, you preview it first bago nyo i-add. Ay, na-purchase ko na pala to. Purchase means, kasi when you add, mas kahit hit free, sasabihin pa din niya na purchase. Add. Ba't ang loading? Ayan, na-add na. Ayan, to-do lists. Na-add na pala to. Ayan, to-do list. Ganito lang kasimple yung gawin nyo, guys. You can add a cover if you want. You can, you can replace this to what? Laptop emoji. Laptop, tapos to-do list ni Tracy. Simple as that. Ito, yung mga done dito lalabas. Yung mga to-do dito lalabas. So, example, ito, i-click mo yan. Lalabas yan dito sa done. So, if i-unclick mo yan, walang laman yung done. 'Di ba? Tapos, add ka lang. Add. 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 Mag-add ka lang. Tapos, lagyan mo lang ng description. Ano yung ina-add mo. Wala na tuloy. Ang loading nanggigigil ako. Pero, you get the point. If you want to, track your progress, please track your progress. Ito naman, i-share ko sa inyo. So, sa comment section ng video na to, hanapin nyo yung link. I-share ko to, copy link. Tapos, bigyan ko kayo ng, can view. Can view lang. Okay? Tapos, kung masakit yung ulo nyo dito, sa, sa Notion, you can use Google Sheet, guys. Start kayo ng, dito. And you see, may nagpa-pop up na mga template. You can choose, let's say, event task, content tracker. May productivity ba dito? Wala to before, promise. Ngayon lang to. Ang swerte nyo kasi may mga AI na, may mga automatic na. Ito may pre-built. Ito na lang kahit sa pre-built. Ito may date, project tasks. Ayan. Ito na lang yung gawin nyo. May status, not started, in progress, blocked, completed. Lagay kayo ng date. 24, 25, ganun, end date. Milestone. Ano nangyari dito? Notes. Ganyan lang. Tapos palakihin nyo lang. Palakihin lang yung part ng notes. Simple as that. Ito, pangalan ng tasks. For example, reading. Portfolio making. Portfolio making. Ganyan, simple tracker, guys. Para meron kayong priority 0, priority 1, priority 2, priority 3. You can actually change this saan ba to? Sa conditional formatting ba to? Feeling ko sa conditional formatting to. Eto, conditional formatting. Wag nga dito, baka mabaliw pa kayo. You can change the color to yellow. Done. Hindi siya nag-change. Dapat siya mag-change lahat. Wag nyo nang galawin, mababaliw pa kayo. I really hate this stuff. Tapos, title nyo dito, pangalan nyo or whatever it is. Tracy VA Activity Tracker. And simple as that, guys. Okay? Track your progress. Bye.